Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Once again, welcome back to RH Educational Channel. This is 10th video of series for counting number from 91 to 100. In previous classes, we already got rid from 1 to 90 numbers and we acquired first class knowledge how to use these numbers in Arabic language. Anyway, today we will increase our knowledge regarding numbers from 91 to 100. So let's begin the lesson. Now see 91 number. For 91 number we apply in Arabic wahidun wa tis'un. Wahidun wa tis'un means 91. Look at the example 91 fishes. For 91 fishes we apply in Arabic wahidun wa tis'un samakan. Wahidun wa tis'un samakan. Now see 92 number. For 92 number we apply in Arabic ithnani wa tis'un. Ithnani wa tis'un means 92. Look at the example 92 fishes. For 92 fishes we can apply in Arabic ithnani wa tis'un. Ithnani wa tis'una samakan. Now see 93 number. For 93 number we apply in Arabic thalathatun wa tis'un. Thalathatun wa tis'un means 93. Look at the example 93 fishes. For 93 fishes we can apply in Arabic thalathatun wa tis'una samakan. Thalathatun wa tis'una samakan. Now see 94 number. For 94 number we apply in Arabic arba'atun wa tis'un. Arba'atun wa tis'un means 94. Look at the example 94 fishes. For 94 fishes we can apply in Arabic arba'atun wa tis'una samakan. Arba'atun wa tis'una samakan. Now see 95 number. For 95 number we apply in Arabic khamsatun wa tis'un. Khamsatun wa tis'un means 95. Look at the example 95 fishes. For 95 fishes we can apply in Arabic khamsatun wa tis'una samakan. Khamsatun wa tis'una samakan. Now see 96 number. For 96 number we apply in Arabic sittatun wa tis'un. Sittatun wa tis'un means 96. Look at the example 96 fishes. For 96 fishes we can apply in Arabic sittatun wa tis'una samakan. Sittatun wa tis'una samakan. Now see 97 number. For 97 number we apply in Arabic sab'atun wa tis'un. Sab'atun wa tis'un means 97. Look at the example 97 fishes. For 97 fishes we can apply in Arabic sab'atun wa tis'una samakan. Sab'atun wa tis'una samakan. Now see 98 number. For 98 number we apply in Arabic thamaniyatun wa tis'un. Thamaniyatun wa tis'un means 98. Look at the example 98 fishes. For 98 fishes we can apply in Arabic thamaniyatun wa tis'una samakan. Thamaniyatun wa tis'una samakan. Now see 99 number. For 99 number we apply in Arabic tis'atun wa tis'un. Tis'atun wa tis'un means 99. Look at the example 99 fishes. For 99 fishes we can apply in Arabic tis'atun wa tis'una samakan. Tis'atun wa tis'una samakan. Now see 100 number. For 100 number we apply in Arabic mi'a. Mi'a means 100. Look at the example 100 fishes. For 100 fishes we apply in Arabic miyatu samakin. Miyatu samakin. Now revise the lesson. Wahidun wa tis'un. Wahidun wa tis'un means 91. Ithnani wa tis'un. Ithnani wa tis'un means 92. Thalathatun wa tis'un. Thalathatun wa tis'un means 93. Arba'atun wa tis'un. Arba'atun wa tis'un means 94. Khamsatun wa tis'un. Khamsatun wa tis'un means 95. Sittatun wa tis'un. Sittatun wa tis'un means 96. سبعة وتسعون. سبعة وتسعون means 97. ثمانية وتسعون. ثمانية وتسعون means 98. تسعة وتسعون. تسعة وتسعون means 99. مية. مية means 100. Now this is the time for the test of knowledge from 91 to 100. So be ready and carefully give the answer. So the first question is, which one is number 99? Which one is number 99? Options are A. واحد وتسعون. B. تسعة وتسعون. C. خمسة وتسعون. D. سبعة وتسعون. Second question, which one is number 95? Which one is number 95? Options are A. خمسة وتسعون. B. ثمانية وتسعون. C. واحد وتسعون. D. سبعة وتسعون. Third question, which one is number 100? Which one is number 100? Options are A. واحد وتسعون. B. تسعة وتسعون. C. خمسة وتسعون. D. مية. Fourth question, which one is number 91? Which one is number 91? Options are A. خمسة وتسعون. B. ثلاثة وتسعون. C. واحد وتسعون. D. ثمانية وتسعون. Fifth question, which one is number 97? Which one is number 97? Options are A. سبعة وتسعون. B. تسعة وتسعون. C. سبعة وتسعون. D. اثنان وتسعون. So today we already gained total numbers from 1 to 100. So if you like the videos for counting numbers in Arabic language, please click the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. See you again.